Executive Chairman Egor Local Government Council, Honorable Egor don't join PDP party chieftains to receive over 100 members of Labour Party wey defect into the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Dem received them for the Egor Local Government PDP Secretariat for Ogbowo, Lagos Road, Uselu, Benin City, Edo State. Ogbonge people wey tanda for the event na Speaker Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Blessing Agbebakun, Egor PDP Chairman Chief Manfred Okundaye, member representing Egor constituency, Honorable Natasha Osawaro, among others. Honorable Egor thank everybody wey tanda for the event and welcome the new members and tell them say them not see them as new members as them already be part of them and come promise them say they not go regret their decision.
I'm happy to see you today because an Englishman said politics is a game of numbers, and I know that those ones that left yesterday, they are going to come back. Do you understand? They will always come back to their roots because this is their roots. Wherever they are going to be there as a stranger. And nobody wants to go there as a stranger. But for you that has come to join us, you are part of us already. Because in PDP, we don't have newcomer. I don't know what you said, Gemma.
Yes.
We don't have newcomer in PDP. So I want to thank you, and I want to say a big thank you and a big thank you because I know that all these faces, I know half of them, and I'm going to be working with all of you.
Speaker Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Blessing Agbebakun, and Egor PDP Chairman Chief Manfred Okundaye, we address the new members, come talk say.
Who is connecting and reconnecting? Reconnected the Labour members to the PDP members. I want to say one thing today, that Labour and PDP, that the same father, the same mother. Because if you ask any Labour party man, they will say that they prefer to work with PDP than working with APC. That is the truth. And let me appreciate all of you here who are now PDP, former Labour, for recognizing and appreciating the work of Ogie, Let me also appreciate you for recognizing and appreciating the work of our Abbey of Ogie. They said some people left to what's it called? APC.
Siberia.
In my language, it's a song I used to sing. Anybody that left this party just left here for nothing. Where they are going, nothing there. Tell them to come back. And as my sister has just said, that they will all come back. If what they promised them, they didn't give to them, they won't come back to that party. Even those there, they are people pretty well. Talkless of those who are going to join them. I assure you that winning is sure for Asue. I want to thank you today for coming, and I'm also aware that this is not the end of this program. We are moving from here to Ward 5. To Chronicle, where you have the latter crowd. These are the representatives of the PDP members who were formerly Labour. They are people, they are still waiting for us to go and receive them. Good work. I thank you very much. And as the chairman has said, as you are in our party today, no new member, no old member. What is good for the days is also good for the ground.
The party that have the momentum, the power that can sustain everybody. My good brothers and sisters, Madam President, I just spoke. In PDP, we don't have new, we don't have old. Especially in Egor. Once you are a PDP, today you are PDP. I am the chairman. I have the same equal right with you. Let me use the opportunity to say thank you for deeming it fit to look for a road, to look for a light, because you all know where we are today in Nigeria. You know my happiness I have today. With what my mother have just said. Say mother of Egor. He said, those one they are coming. We don't need quantity, we need quality. 7 left yesterday. Today, we have over more than 60. I would rather say you are not perfected, but you came to join us. You find a good room.
Some of the new members will defect from Labour Party to PDP. Contact say,
I deem it necessary. I was with Labour Party. I was one of the coordinators of the movement and everything. I'm a neutrality or a human rights activist. I'm very difficult to bend. But when I see good thing, I support good thing. And I really want to assist. And I really want to assure that our next government is being voted for in the local government where I reside. So I want to thank the House for receiving us. We didn't just came to say it as a main thing. We are serious.
Labour Party was never a party, but it was a big movement. But as it stands now, we are in Edo State. It's only the blind that we say that they don't know what is happening in Edo State. Go to the Ministry of Education, here you can see this. And then go to where know that they are barred for the case. You can see the work going on there. And the balance is over side as well. I told my brother, I said my brother, Egor is for PDP. Your slippers can fight, mine can fight, but Egor is for PDP.
Highlight of the event now when the new members tear their previous party cards to show their full support for their new party will be PDP. After they receive the new members finish, they come move to 110 where they receive more members to the party. Honorable Egor and Honorable Natasha Usawari for their welcome address to the new members come promise them say all the ogbonge work wey Obaseki don't do go still continue with Asue Godalo.
I'm so happy. Wawese, owo pomose, owe na we away. Wawese, for everything, for everything you are doing in this Ojo environment, this Ojo, and this is part of Ward 10 and Ward 5. Thank you very much. But even though where PDP is the only solution to anything that is happening right now in Nigeria.
Oh yes.
PDP is the only solution that whatever we are going through in Edo State. If it now be PDP, we go vote any other party. We are not go vote. If it now be Asue, we are not go vote any other person. We are not go vote. If you vote for another party, na wasted vote because they not they go anywhere. Now let PDP now you go be vote for.
Yes.
I be not voting on at all.
Now we talk.
Let me make us stay here today.
Oh yes.
We are people of democracy. We are always delivering the dividends of democracy, like my chairman here, Madam Project. From now on, please, I beg you to realize that Asue Ighodalo, don't look at him as PDP, APC, or Labour Party. Look at him as an individual. When you look at him like that, you would actually realize that we have no other candidate. Listen to him. The only thing is you have to be in a party, a political platform to be able to contest. And the political platform, Asue is PDP. So let's vote in Asue. We're not voting PDP, we're voting Asue Ighodalo and Ogie.
For talk with Tory people, Honorable Egor and Egor PDP chairman Chief Manfred Okundaye contact say,
I am so excited with the work of today. ably brought by our amiable council chairman, because yesterday, I would rather say few that left today, we received multitude from only 2 wards, and we are expecting the great multitude. I am so excited. I feel a sense of belonging in PDP by the grace of God, that there's no doubt that we are going to win easily this our election coming up on the 21st of September 2024.
I'm fulfilled. You know my ward, which is Ward 10, is the largest ward in the local government with 75 units. Having obedient movement and Labour Party people coming to decamp or joining us in the party in our ward is very, very interesting. It's going to make the job easier for us, and together we shall make a greater local government. And I'm so excited. I'm so happy that they came to join us with this crowd, with all these people from Ward 10 and Ward 5. I'm more happy because this is my ward, Ward 10 of Egor local government.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Balomi Mokoro, TMC TV News.